So yes, previously in the previous lecture we discussed about insertion at the beginning. Now we will be discussing about insertion at the end. So again let me take the linked list here. This is a linked list. 3 nodes are there. Last node is having the null value at the pointer part. First element is having head pointer, which is having the memory address of the first element, that is 100 here. This is 200, this is 300. So value 1, 2 and 3. It is having the memory address that is 200 here. It is having the memory address that is 300 here. So a linked list is created. So now for inserting at the end, first I will have to check the condition. This is the first condition, like if head is equal to null, that means at present there is no element which is present at the in the linked list. So if no element is present, that means head will be having no value. So head is a null pointer in this case. In this case, if there is no element present in the linked list, that means I will call this particular function again, that is insert at head, right? So if head is not equal to null, that means I will go to this is whole is else part. So else part means the linked list is having certain elements, certain nodes present in this linked list. So what I will do in that condition is, first step is, like I already covered, like I already told you before also, first step is to create a new node. Create a new node, right? So I will create this new node here. The data part value assigning of this data in this new node, and initializing the next part equal to null. These two steps have already been covered in the constructor. So assigning value in data part and next part has already been done in the constructor. So I have not written here it in the in this algorithm part. Otherwise, if you want to write, you can always write these two steps, right? So after creation of this linked list, basically I have to link this particular I have to basically link this particular new node with this linked list now. So to link this, I cannot directly come towards the last element. For that, I have to traverse from starting to the last. So how will I traverse from starting to last? I will take a temporary variable over here. So these are the 3 steps we've already covered in the traversal. So again, I will take the temporary variable, initializes to head. Same steps. These are the same steps we are doing in the traversal part. These 3 steps. Again, they have to be written down. So first step is temp is equal to head. Second is I will implement this step while, what is the terminating condition? Terminating condition is while temp ka next is not equal to null. Not equal to null. This is a temporary temp pointer variable here. I will initialize to head. Then I will write here temp ka next. Sorry, temp is equal to temp ka next. So the value of temp is at present, it is equal to 100 now. So temp ka next is 200. Temp ka next is 200 will be updated. So when this will be updated, that means temp will point to the second element. So likewise, again temp ka next is 300. So this will again be updated to temp, and the temp will be equal to 300. That means it will point to the last element now. So these 3 steps is again basically the traversal part. So once we have reached the last element, now we can insert this new node. Now we can basically insert this new node with this last element here. So how we will do is, third step is linking step. So linking step, for this particular step, what I will do is, the last node which is having the null value here, this basically has to be overwritten. This has to be overwritten with the memory address of this new node. Suppose the memory address of this new node is 1000. So if instead of null here, if I write here 1000, that means this link will be created here. That means if this link is created, that means this new node will be linked to this given linked list, right? So what I will write here, I will write here temp ka next. This is temp ka next. So temp ka next will have the memory address of the new node. So with this statement, the memory address will be assigned to the next part of the temp. So these are basically steps for insertion at the last.